Write the equation of a circle who has a radius equal to 7 and a center point at negative 5, 2. Let's recall that the standard form of the equation of a circle is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared. And this is the equation of a circle that has the center point located at hk and the radius, which is the value of r. Since we're given the center point and we're given the radius, all we really need to do is to plug negative 5, 2 in for hk and to plug 7 in for r in this equation. So we'll have x minus negative 5, and then squaring that quantity, plus y minus, the y-coordinate of the center is 2, so we'll plug 2 in for k, and then square that quantity. The radius is equal to 7, so we'll plug 7 in for the r value and square that quantity. From here, we're only going to take a small cleanup step. We'll call minus a negative a plus. We'll also call 7 squared 49. So this then becomes x plus 5 quantity squared plus y minus 2 quantity squared is equal to 49. And this is the standard form of the equation of a circle whose center is at negative 5, 2 and whose radius is 7.